Good morning mga bebe loves ko. Happy March 1! Ayan, papalapit na tayo na papalapit sa ating due date. And it's, 12:30 na ng tanghali. March 1. Half day ng asawa ko mga bebe ko. Punta kayo mag-lunch. Kakadrop lang namin kay ma'am sa kanyang dentist. Thank you so much Sis Claire sa pagtulong kahapon at banding natin. Ang saya, sarap na kinain namin galonggong. Grabe. And foundation gamit natin for today, it's from Bourjois. Yan. Blush from Essence. Eyebrows ko is from Anastasia and lip from Colourpop. Ayan guys. Press powder is from Misha. So, punta kami mag-lunch. Ang dami kong ginawa rin kayo ng umaga. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi paggising ko, diretso breakfast na. And then, diretso na rin nag-shower. And, eksakto, nandito na kami sa labas ngayon. Grabe yung buhok natin, guys. Parang balayage na yung kanyang kinalabasan. Kasi black dito, tas blonde. Andito kami ngayon, guys, sa kalimutan ko na yung pangalan niya. Maranello, yan. Okay, thank you. Kain. Kay gising ko lang. Anong nangyari? Naigising lang namin ni baby, mga bebe loves ko. And, ayan, kinuha ko yung sinampay ko. Yung nilabahan namin. Yung ni-wash namin. Bebe, Mrs. Labas. So, it's gonna be so busy. Kasi hanggang dito siya still Sunday morning. And then, parating naman yung bisita ko ulit. Sila Justin, Claire, and Sis Kat. Ang cute-cute naman ito. 0 to 6 months. Dalhin ko na lang din. Itech. Meron tong pair eh. Ayun o, yung leggings niya. Dalhin ko na lang din. So cute. Sa hospital. Maganda na yung sobra yung dalhin mong damit niya. Just in case lang. Diba, mga baby loves ko? Saka yung swaddle niya, dalhin ko na din. Bango-bango na. So, na-wash na sila eh. So, ayun ang ganap for today. Ang laki-laki na namin ni baby. Kasi malapit na tayong manganak. May awaan Diyos. So, malapit na rin dati si nanay. Sayang, di ako makapunta ng birthday sa kakristening ng anak ni Sis Sis Ann. Pero anytime, bawi na lang next time. Kasi, wala, hindi na talaga ako. Saka hindi na ako makakapagbiyahe ng malayo na din. So, ayun mga baby loves ko. Bawi na lang ako. Next time. Catch up na lang kami next time. Hindi ko pa naibigay yung yung regalo. Ipapabigay ko sana yun. Pero mas maganda pag gusto ko kasi ako yung magbigay ng regalo. So, hindi ko na pinabigay sa mga momshies. Kasi magkikita naman kami ulit next time. Anyhow, mga bebe ko, tapusin ko lang to. And then yung mga damit ni baby. Dito naman yung mga toys niya, yung pads, mga headband niya, ganyan. Ito hindi ko pa to na-wash. Na-wash ko na yung iba eh. Iwa-wash ko pa yan. And, andyan pa yung mga ibang regalo sa kanya. Hindi ko pa, sa lahat ng damit niya guys, hindi ko pa na-wash. Yung mga malaki sa kanya, kagaya ng mga naka-hanger. And then, marami pa doon sa baba ng mga nakatago na bago, regalo. Hindi ko muna sila ni-wash. Ito na lang muna yung mga pang-babies talaga na newborn, ganyan, yung mga magagamit niya agad. Okay, all done. Nag-retouch lang ako mga bebe loves ko. Papunta na kami ng railway station. Pick upin namin si Cheryl and then from there, lalabas kami for dinner. Para hindi na kami wait ng bahay. And I'm having, use ko tong the dress from Rose Girl. Sobrang ganda niya. Kasi yung tela niya, perfect. Perfect sa amin ni baby kasi guys, ang hirap na talagang gumalaw pag masikip yung damit na yung fitted, ibig ko sabihin fitted. So, kailangan talaga maluwag. And, yan, ang gamit ko dito is blush on at saka Colourpop na eyeshadow. Itong eyebrows. And, from MAC and NARS. From MAC. And, from both MAC itong pinaghalo ko sila lip glow, parang lip cream siya, hindi siya matte, Parang feel ko lang mag lip cream ngayong ano, kasi nagcha-chops yung anong lips ko eh. And blush on, nag-retouch lang din ako. Highlights from ano mga bebe ko. My gosh, yung mind ko talaga crazy na. Malilimutin ako. From Skin Food. And okay, let's go. Punta na tayo. Nintay ko lang si Scott na magbihis. Nagtitoothbrush lang siya. And gagamitin ko lang yung bag ko, yung bigay sa akin ni Bebe Marisa. Yung Michael Kors sana eh. Kaya lang, ewan ko. Nandun kasi nakatago na. So, ito na lang yung aking regalo sa akin na white bag. And closed shoes lang ano. Pakita ko sa inyo yung bed namin, mga bebe ko. Ayan, hindi ko pa siya napapakita. Ito yung binili ko from Kmart. It was $22. Naging $9 na lang siya. It's a quilt cover with pillowcase na cover din. And then, ito yung dalawa na binili ko sa Ukay. Malinis na sila guys. Ano sila, conditioner na, naka-shampoo na, sabay ganun. Detergent, saka softener detergent. And ito yung aking European pillow. Kukuha pa ako ng isa niyan kasi para sa kabilang kwarto pag nandito si nanay. So, ayan guys, yung bed natin, ang setup niya. So, yun, ilalagay ko yun. Siguro ang gawin ko dyan, ilagay ko sa kabilang kwarto. Para kuha ako na isa nito para partner siya. So, ayan. Medyo malinis na rin dito. Hinayos ko. And itong ating pa-outfit, mga bebe loves ko. Sobrang init ngayong araw na to. Grabe, 29 degree. Pero parang hindi. Parang more than 29. Parang 33 degree siya. Anyway, let's go! Darling on! Enjoy kayo, darling ko. Sa inyong getaway mag-asawa. Love you, love you, love you. And thank you so much, Sis Rochelle. Sa mga momshies. Sa aking mga sisi. Sa mga momshies ko, Sis Mariel, Desiree, Rochelle, Lian, and sana next time magsama-sama tayo ulit. And, recall that one. Sis Claire and Sis Cathy and Justin, see you this weekend. I'm excited. See you soon, Cheryl. On our way now. We just about to leave the house na pala. And see you. And let's have fun tonight.
Hello everybody, this is Poppy Charles, Daddy Charles and Charles. Welcome to my world and your world. They're going down to get a friend down the railway station.
Alright.
Take care, you look lovely too.
Thank you, Dad.
Doesn't she look lovely?
Thank you, Dad. Lovely and...
Look, hey, there's Kathleen here.
Alright, Dad, see ya.
Why don't they, here.
See you, Dad. Bye-bye.
Scott.
This is the railway in Sydney. Malapit na kami. Papasok na kami. Pando si Cheryl naghihintay.
Zach Holmes understand just how stressful knockdown rebuilds can be. So they're taking out the stress. Plan your knockdown rebuild.
Look at that building, look.
I know,
All the
it's
grass.
beautiful. That's unusual building there. Gonna Cheryl.
All ready to go. We just need a baby. Hello. We just need a baby now.
Yeah.
You look great.
How was the trip?
Aww.
Straight through?
It's okay.
Is that your favorite?
Get on, get on.
Favorite.
Close up shares.
Come on closer.
Closer. What's the name?
Taylor.
Taylor?
Hello.
Talok.
Racehorse.
Oh.
That's cool.
It's a Hunter Valley wine, 2018 Tallow.
Okay, Talok.
And this
That's
is
good.
a hunt.
Also, before you go,
a beer.
I'll tell you a funny story. So, Juliet got me thinking that I should start doing what she does.
Oh, yes.
So,
And,
I'm a second wife.
okay, let's go. I'm hungry. Well, babe, us is R.
No, right. No, before. No, I'm talking about before.
What is it? Some peaches down there.
Cheers, Dad.
Hi.
Here we are. Well,
Do some move.
hello world, this is Charles. I've got Miss World with me here today. All the way from the Newcastle area of the Hunter, where all the lovely wine is made. You know Cheryl? She was the bridesmaid at Scott and Juliet's wedding over in
Yes.
South Korea. Delighted to have her here in our, well, in Juliet and Scott's home, not my home. And she's staying with a little while. and we're delighted to have her here. Is that right, Juliet?
Absolutely.
And I'm so happy to be here. I always feel like part of the family. This
Yeah, of course.
is my dad and my mum.
My sister.
I don't have my dad and my mum anymore, so you can be my dad and my mum. We're not together.
Well, they call me Daddy Charles.
Yeah,
Yes.
well, mum's up in the house. It's not mum and dad together. You're not mum and dad.
So Daddy Charles has got a lovely young lady here. She's very young, isn't she?
Yes.
40. 60 going on 40.
Going back and forth.
Anyhow, she's a real Briton and we love her and she's a member of our family and we're delighted to have her here today.
Yes.
Oh, sweet.
Can you dance it?
You get all the girls jealous now.
Oh, please don't get jealous.
Anyhow, this is Daddy Charles saying good night to
Signing
all.
off.
Good
Cheryl
night.
says good night too.
Signing off.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Andito kami ngayon guys sa Four Pines Churchill's American Dinner. Dito kami sa Churchill's Pub. Yan. Dito kami magdi-dinner. 9:30 po mag-close kasi 8:30 na guys. Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers to my beautiful friend who's going to have a baby very soon. And I didn't want to come down and annoy them next weekend because Juliet's mum arrives. And then after that, then the baby arrives. And then I will come down when they say, Cheryl, now it's time for you to come down and visit Hanslead. And then I will be here, okay? As soon as you say, come down, I'll be here.
Yeah, thank you. This is what Cheryl gonna have, guys. T-bone steak with salad and chips. Looks so yum.
Oh, yeah.
Looks so yum. This is my chicken wings.
So you don't want
Kain mga bebe loves. Kain. How's your chef? Looks good.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Very good.
Tapos happy sabi. Good morning mga bebe loves ko. Hindi ko na-close yung vlog kagabi because we were so busy and we had a good meal with my dear Cheryl and Scott. So, kagising ko ng mga bebe ko pero sabi ni Cheryl, gusto niya mag-breakfast sa Westfield. So, doon na lang kayo mag-breakfast kasi I'm craving for croissant. At saka, doon na lang din kami kasi minsan lang naman siya pumupunta dito, ganyan. Tapos kaya doon na lang kami, labas na lang kami para makapagpasyal din siya. But later on, I'm going to take Cheryl to Bondi. So, I'm gonna close the vlog kasi I'm gonna open a new vlog again. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, what?
How far is Bondi?
Bondi?
Yeah.
For bus, it's like takes at least less than 20 minutes. There now.
Yeah.
And then have lunch there. So this might be too long. We'll wait for Scott until 3. We'll wait for Scott until 3 though. So what the in Bondi?
It's too long.
Too long, right?
Yeah.
So let's have breakfast in Westfield,
Yes.
which is only across the road, and then come back. I was gonna cook for your omelette like what you did in Newcastle. Cheryl dun pa siya guys, tulog. Gising na siya. I think it's better to go out, yeah? And relax. How was your sleep? Good?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for watching mga bebe ko. See you in our next vlog. Hi, Shaz! See you! Gotta say goodbye to the vlog.
Bye. See you later.
See you in our next vlog.
Breakfast.
Bye-bye!